Alright guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and today's video is going to be quite a short one. Now, we're back working on the Corsa again, obviously, but this is a thing that I've been wanting to do for quite a while because it's not a massive issue, but it's something that's just like you prefer if it was done. Now, it is in particular the struts for the boot or the tailgate, whatever you want to call it. Now these are obviously the originals because yeah, they're General Motors ones, and I don't know if you can see, but there's all this like tar, like gummy crap built up there. I'm pretty sure that's like the lube or the oil that's came out of the strut. Now if you lower the boot down, when you get to a certain point, you should, I assume it should just glide down slowly, but when you get to a certain point you just drop it and it just slams. Now you wouldn't think that actually makes, you know, a loud noise, but when you're in the car it's literally like a bomb has gone off. I'll try and see if we can pick it up. So we'll put this camera down in the car, then we'll drop the boot down, see how loud it sounds. Right, let's set up on the dash then. Now, like I said, I don't really know how loud that sounded, but definitely in person, if someone slams the boot and you're in the car, it like sounds so loud, and it's just like one of them really annoying things. So for the price that it's going to be to potentially fix the problem, you know, just changing both the struts, like it's just definitely worth doing. I'm pretty sure I spent like £10–11 on the new struts, which I'm going to show you real soon, obviously. But yeah, and it should be a pretty simple and easy job to do. So let's get these struts and let's get them on the car. Alright, and so here we have the new boot struts. Now I'm a little bit concerned because it doesn't seem like they're in a box. It doesn't even seem like they're in bubble wrap or anything, but I guess too much damage couldn't be caused to them, you know, being in the post, because they are a very simple system, and as long as they, you know, haven't been bashed around too much, then I can't really see much damage being caused to them. So I'm just going to cut this open, or attempt to. Nice and shiny anyway. Right. Okay then. So here they are. Now, like I said, these are not like genuine Vauxhall General Motors parts. I'm not going to go ahead and like buy genuine boot struts for a 13.5-year car. It's not really worth it. I'm pretty sure these actually came with like a year or two warranty as well, so it's probably like the length of the time that I'll have the car. But here's just a quick look at them. I mean, they're probably like, you know, Chinese parts or whatever, but as long as they do the job and as long as they last at least a year, I'll be happy with them. But as you can see, the shaft that goes inside of the you know, this thicker part, it's actually silver, and I'm pretty sure what's on the car is black, so that's a difference already. But yeah, obviously we've got two. There is no left and right hand or offside and near side. So yeah, I guess we'll just go over to the car, get the old ones off, and get these new ones on. Okay, first of all, I'm just going to move the parcel shelf out of the way just so I can get better access to see how these things actually come off. Just take this off. Okay, so I don't know how well you can see, but they have this this little clip that goes around them, it looks like, on the front side. It has that on both sides, so I'm guessing I should just be able to get a screwdriver underneath that, pop that clip out, and then these should pull off, I'm guessing, because they're only on like little ball joints. So if I just pop that out with a screwdriver, this should just come away. Okay, so it is moving, but oh, there we go. Is that out now? Oh, and then it pops back on. Okay, so that's came off all the way. Is that? Where'd it go? I'm not sure if that was supposed to come off all the way. That was easy enough. Just gonna pull down now. Let's bring you inside because it's quite windy and someone's obviously mowing their lawn out there, so I'm not sure how well you managed to pick that up, but I'm going to attempt to explain it to you. So like I said, this end or this side sits on top of the ball joint, and then there's this clip which I actually did pop the first one off. There's no need to, you only just need to pop it out like far enough to just kind of take this off of the ball joint, so you only need to take it off like sort of that much, and that's it. It's literally it. There's just one on the top, one on the bottom. I thought I was going to be able to push that down, but apparently not. Actually, it takes a lot of weight to push it down. But yeah, obviously I've taken one off, and one on one side is not enough to keep it up, so I'm going to go ahead and put the put one of the new ones on the side that I've just taken off. But I'm going to go like clean the area up and that first, and then probably put a bit of grease on the ball joints as well, just to help this slide on a little bit easier. So yeah, we'll do that now. Right, so I've just propped the boot up then with a piece of wood, and as you can see, I've just gave this area a good clean, and I've also gave this area a good clean, just so I can get a good connection. It looks you know, a little bit better after. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead, put a little bit of grease on that ball and a little bit of grease on that ball. Okay then, so I'm not sure if I have to get these clips out before I push it on, or if I can just like literally push it on like this, but we'll soon find out. Just so that's just pushed on like that then, and gotta lift this up. There goes the piece of wood. There we go. one side done, both securely on. Let's do the other side now. Get it off. Already tell already it's staying up. So it's staying up with literally just one strut, so that means it's working so much better already. I'm gonna go ahead, do the same, give it all a clean, I'll get all this dirty crap out, and then put some grease on both of them balls, and then go ahead and put the new one on. That is so much better. Okay then, so it's pretty much job done. As you can see, both new boot struts have been installed. Very easy job to do yourself, so don't be afraid when tackling this job, even if you've never done anything on a car DIY before. It's a very easy job that you'll be able to do yourself. It's literally just a case of, like I said, popping these clips back with a screwdriver, both on the bottom and the top, and then just yanking it off, and then just go ahead and fit the new ones on. Alright then, okay then, so another job done on the Corsa then. Very happy with the outcome of that. Like, the boots just like goes up so much easier, and it's like goes down so much better. It doesn't make such a loud bang now, and yes, definitely a very good, cheap, it's not a mod obviously, but it's definitely an upgrade from the old worn ones. These have long gone their use by date. So yeah, so if you notice that your boots like drop in a bit more harsh than it should, or if it's like shooting up and banging at the top, then your boot struts are probably not doing their job. So it's definitely worth buying some new ones. Like I said, they're only like £10–11 off eBay. So yeah, it's definitely worth doing if you're having problems with it. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. I will have a lot more videos on the Corsa for sure. Please give this video a like if you have enjoyed it, because it really does help me out. Leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in that next video. Peace!